Good morning, you guys. What is going on? Riley here. Today we are at Houston Cars and Coffee for January 2019. So this is my first time being at Cars and Coffee with the Mustang. Hello, Talib.
What's up, guys?
So actually the last time I was here was pretty much the last few weeks with the Corvette. So we're gonna get our first dose of Mustang Cars and Coffee, and already to start we got a Mustang over there pulled over by a state trooper for having, well, he had red headlights on, so RIP to that dude. And yeah, we had a good little cruise down here this morning. You guys saw some footage of that, and I've seen tons of, you know, Lamborghinis, Ferraris, all kinds of fun stuff. And we'll go check some of that out, and then afterwards we'll watch all the people do their crazy shenanigans out there on the feeder road. So, should be fun. Let's get started. So I guess I can't call you HTX Scat anymore, huh?
Hell no.
So this is what, HTX E63? Oh man. Well, Armani went and got a Benz. RIP Scat Pack.
RIP.
Don't see that every day. Ford GT on some meaty welds. Sick. Mr. Uzumaki, what's going on, man?
I don't know what's going on. It's like there's so many people out here. It's just everything's going on at the same time.
Right?
You caught me off guard with that, Riley.
Just an update. Very bored now.
Oof. There goes the mob. Here's one of the cars that we wrapped at Mob Auto Boutique, and I had the privilege of doing a reveal photo shoot on it. So I'll post up some pictures right now. You can check them out. But yeah, looks pretty sweet.
I love this.
Oh my god!
Oh my god, it is so loud. Oh, he can yell at.
Uh-oh.
Drive away, run away.
Ooh.
Wow.
Hey, let her rip, brother.
Send it.
Oh! Oh, it's the one on welds. Cert alert!
Launch it. Oh yeah. Woo! Uh-oh. Oh no.
Well, bar!
Come on, Bobo. Send that shit. Oh shit. It's getting gas.
Yeah, I think I got it. Oh, yeah.
Crackles though.
Well, that was dangerous.
Everybody down the line took a step.
Oh, yeah. Oh, you just put that on top of the hood?
Right, yeah.
Oh my god. Oh man.
This man has a fake scoop on his car.
Whoa! Wow. Wait a minute. I thought these were two-seaters. I'm confused. Hey, it's that guy Marin. What's up, dude? What's up? Hey, brother. What's going on up there?
It's my flight.
Oh.
Hey, Riley, turn around the
Oh. Dude, that's wild. Wow. It's just so weird seeing a helicopter like right here.
Yeah, literally like right there. Oh, got him.
Uh-oh.
Oh, they got
Holy shit.
the burnout.
The Jeep did one. What is going on over there?
Did it pick it up? Run.
Oh my god.
Big white smoke.
Mopars do the best burnouts. Straight up.
I wish. Come on, Mopar, what you gonna do? Shoot, bro. Yeah.
Damn!
Goddamn, bro. Shit. All right, what's going on, guys? You know, we got this 2015 C7Z, okay? It's got headers. This thing's fast, but it'll get gapped by a Paxton S550.
Hell no.
But what's better than this good deal? This deal's banging.
Ha! Except you have the logo facing the wrong way.
You stupid! Why'd you turn it the wrong way?
How much you want for it?
66 more.
How much?
66.
66. I
Dollars.
got $350.
Pesos.
How about I give you like $5 and you carry me to like 100 Fortnite wins?
Honestly, I like you a lot, so you take it.
All right, cool. So I hope you guys enjoyed that footage from Cars and Coffee. It is always a super fun time going there, just hanging out with friends, watching people do all kinds of crazy stuff and seeing all kinds of really cool cars that always show up there. Now I realized I haven't really posted anything with the Mustang since I made the transmission failure and engine tick video on the Mustang. So here's some Mustang content for you, yippee. But I wanted to get you guys feedback on what do you guys think I should do with the Mustang. Do you think that I should say screw it, modify the thing, and if it blows up, then it blows up? Should I keep it the way it is? Should I sell it? I'd be curious to see what you guys think would be the best course of action here. So as far as future mods for this thing, I mean, obviously headers, a tune, and E85 would definitely be something that I would love to do, and these cars respond super well to just basic bolt-ons and of course superchargers and stuff like that. So that would be a ton of fun, but I gotta ask myself, you know, do I think it's actually worth the cost of doing all that and also worth the risk of possibly blowing this thing up someday and then having to, you know, buy a new motor? I think I have decided. I'm just gonna say screw it, and I will be taking this thing to the drag strip probably sometime soon, and I definitely want to do at least 1 or 2 autocrosses with it just because I think it'd be fun. I'm really curious to see how it would do compared to other stuff. I guess it was almost a year ago we took the Hellcat to an autocross and ended up getting 3rd place. So if a Hellcat can do pretty well, let's see what a Mustang can do. So yeah, be sure to leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you guys think. And then also in totally unrelated news to anything Mustang related, I'm gonna be starting to do live streaming on Twitch. So yeah, Faison's, yeah. So if you'd like to follow my Twitch, it is _RP_. BecauseRaceCarStore_Productions. I'll be posting all kinds of content from Fortnite to Call of Duty to maybe some computer gaming here and there. I have no idea what I'm really gonna do with it, but I'm actually really into gaming, and I have been pretty much all my life, and it's kind of something I haven't really shared that much here on YouTube. So if you guys are interested in gaming content, definitely check it out. I think we'll have a lot of fun just, you know, hanging out, doing gaming. Me, Faison, Zach, Kyle, Talib, I mean, pretty much everybody, we all play games almost every single night, so now we'll just make it live to the public and you guys can watch all of the chaos that happens. So I definitely think that'll be something fun to do and kind of, you know, interact with you guys a little bit more. But yeah, I guess that pretty much sums up today's video. So Cars and Coffee was a total success. I'm looking forward to doing that again, hopefully in February. And then Mustang is a somewhat success. If it blows up, who knows? But so far, she's trucking along just fine. And, you know, contrary to popular belief, I actually do love this car. I mean, the problems associated with it are kind of frustrating, but it seriously is a pretty much perfect daily. I really enjoy driving this thing every day, and looks good, it's quick, and you get like 21 miles per gallon, so can't complain there. And then lastly, talking a little bit about the Twitch live streaming. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Sorry, we're looking at the car, not my ugly face, but you guys would probably rather see the car than me. And yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Take it easy.